welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. Our initiative Stotra, a coffee table book in association with Gurukulam, the Shloka Learning Center, and the artist Shri Mehra, together with Dr. Sheetal Nair as the author, we have launched this initiative to increase awareness on art and traditions. We have with us Divya Dorai Swami, the founder of Gurukulam, the Shloka Center. आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है दिव्या.
Good evening, Rashi. Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity for being a part of it. I'm so happy that my kids at Gurukulam have been given this opportunity. I'm so grateful to you.
Further, I would like to know what is behind the scenes.
Oh, it was so much fun, Rashi. As soon as this was launched, the initiative, the idea, the Stotra, the coffee table book came up. And when you told me about it, I put up a message to all the parents through a WhatsApp group, and every parent was really happy to make their child a part of this initiative. So Gurukulam today has close to about 98, 99 children, and I have received drawings from about 90 children. 91 children. So every child, and I also gave them a deadline. So if the initiative was launched on a particular day, I gave them about a week's time to finish their artwork and send it back to me. You will not believe it, Rashi. In 3 days, I started getting emails and WhatsApp images from parents. And it was amazing. And I don't know, for some reason, every child has chosen Lord Ganesha and they've chosen Goddess Durga. Maybe it was easy to draw. And every child has done such an amazing job, Every child. When I looked at the work of a 3-year-old, when I looked at the work of a 14-year-old, I felt that every child has given it their best effort. But I must say that every child's work was fantabulous. It was beautiful. And firstly, I want to thank all the children for being so sportive and contributing to the artwork.
So adding to what Divya just said, we have artwork from all over the world in this coffee table book. We have kids from the USA, from South Africa, from India, and from the London.
Everywhere, every part of the world, yes.
And all those kids are the Gurukulam kids. The very idea and the vision behind doing this initiative, Stotra, is we wanted to understand what kids can imagine when they learn shlokas. And that is what they actually put it down on the paper. All our followers, all our viewers, people from all over the world, our connections, the Gurukulam parents, the Shri Mehra community, and Dr. Sheetal Nair's community, we request each one to get in touch with us to pick up your personal coffee table book, The Stotra. Is there any parent or any child who shared a personal moment while doing the artwork with you?
There were so many. And before the children got into doing the artwork, they actually told their parent that this is the shloka that we've chosen for this artwork. So I was glad that they were able to connect the shloka with the artwork. So it was a lot of application of mind. So that was really beautiful. They were just not doing something random.
Yeah, see, we have books in the market on the shlokas, but thinking of a shloka and then doing artwork based on the shlok. This is something unique and different, which the Gurukulam kids in association with Rabbi Rashi Foundation, Shri Mehra, the artist, and Dr. Sheetal Nair, the author, nothing would have been possible without the team. And we are very thankful to the Gurukulam parents who actually gave time to this artwork.
Children today are doing so many classes, so many. They have, given a lot of time in getting this work done. Parents, I really am thankful to the parents, because they definitely, it wouldn't have been possible without the cooperation of parents and the children. I don't.
Gurukulam has, I think, almost 100 kids, and this coffee table book has been for 31 kids. Divya, what is the further plans and the mission and the vision for the rest of them?
The idea is every child has given in equal effort, and the same kind of interest in bringing about an artwork. So I think I would be really hurting my other 60 children if their artwork is not being put to use. So no child is going to be hurt. Every child is going to go happy. So we're going to come up with an amazing idea where the remaining 60 pieces of artwork are going to be compiled in a different place. So that's a secret, and that's a surprise for the kids and the parents as well.
Yeah, and this is the first edition of the book. Maybe the second edition we do a bigger one with the 60 rest of the artwork. So you never know what is coming up, because there's a big surprise that Divya and we have planned together. So hold on to your hearts. Look forward to the launch, which is in January.